Hello, thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos, and today we're looking at adding and subtracting binomials. So let's take a look at some examples. Alright, so here's three problems here, and all of these are adding binomials. Notice that the binomials are a expression with two terms, and we're adding those two expressions that have two terms together, just adding them together. Okay, so let's take a look at this first one here. Alright, so essentially what you're doing is just collecting like terms while you're adding. Okay, alright, so if you're adding, you're just gonna find your like terms here, negative x and negative 7x, same variable to the same exponent. Okay, and we're just going to combine those. So there's an understood 1 for this x here, so that negative 1 plus negative 7 will get us negative 8x, and then the negative 5 plus a positive 2, different signs, find the difference, subtract there, so you get negative 3. As you can see, with the green, when you combine those, you get negative 3, and the yellow, negative 1, negative 7, same sign, find the sum, add those. Alright, next. So we got like terms here, negative 3x and positive 10x. And we got negative 5y and positive 3y. Okay, so the negative 3x and the positive 10x, different signs, find the difference. You get a positive 7x. And the negative 5y and the positive 3y, different signs, find the difference. 5 minus 3 is 2. 5 is bigger, keep it negative. So you get 7x minus 2y. Now finally down here you got, it says to find an expression which represents the sum of these two. Okay, so it's the exact same thing. We're just going to add them. But I recommend you just rewriting it. Alright, hang on just a second. Just rewrite it like that. So you got the same thing, just add it together here, and you'll see why in a moment, why I make you rewrite it. But now we got 3x negative 3 plus negative 4x minus 9. We'll find the like terms, 3x and negative 4x. These are like terms, different signs, find the difference, subtract, and you get negative 1x. And you don't have to put the 1 here, but it doesn't hurt if you do. And then negative 3 and negative 9, same sign, find the sum. Add those together, you get negative 12. Alright, let's take a look at another example. Now, all of those are addition here. Now we're going to take a look at subtraction. So with subtraction here, what you want to do is you want to distribute that negative 1 first before you do anything. You want to distribute that negative 1 on the second pair of binomials there. So you're going to distribute that negative 1, and the first binomial is just going to bring down. Okay, so negative 1 times negative 5 is positive 5x. Negative 1 times negative 5 is positive 5. Okay, now it's just like the ones we did before, where we find the like terms, 7x and 5x, and same sign, find the sum, add those. Negative 10 and positive 5, different signs, find the difference, subtract those. And you get 7 plus 5 is 12x, and negative 10 minus 5 is 5. The 10 is bigger, so you leave that 5 negative. Alright, same thing here. We're going to take that understood negative 1 and distribute. You get 10x minus 2y. You'll bring that down. And negative times this positive understood 1 here is negative x. And negative 1 times this positive 3 is negative 3y. Now we're going to find our like terms. and combine them. So 10x plus a negative 1, different signs, find the difference, subtract, and you get a positive 9x, negative 2y, and negative 3y. Same sign, find the sum, negative 5y. Okay, now let's take a look at this last one here. It says find the expression that represents the difference when 8x minus 5 is subtracted from 7x minus 9. It's important to get the order right. So what is being taken away from what? Well, the 8x minus 5 is being taken away from the 7x minus 9. So I write the 7x minus 9 first and then subtract the 8x minus 5. If you get that swap, it'll be wrong. So you got to make sure you read it and do what the instructions say. We're doing 8x minus 5 from 7x minus 9. So then it's just like the ones above here. And we're going to distribute that negative 1, that understood negative 1, on the second binomial. Alright, so now we got 7x minus 9. Negative 1 times positive 8 is negative 8. Negative 1 times negative 5 is positive 5. Now we're going to find the like terms and then add them. We've got 7x and negative 8x. Different signs, find the difference. 8 minus 7 is 1. And negative 9 and positive 5. Different signs, find the difference. Get 4. The 9 is bigger, so we leave it negative. And that's it. That is adding and subtracting binomials. I want to thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. Have a nice day.